Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact KuCoin support effectively. If you encounter issues with your KuCoin account, trades, deposits, withdrawals, or any other platform-related problems, contacting support quickly and clearly can save you a lot of time. First of all, launch open the KuCoin application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile picture or your initial. Now, from the menu that appears on the screen, scroll all the way down under More and tap on Support. Under the support page, you can go ahead and get online support help, submit a ticket, go through FAQs, or send error log. If you want to submit a detailed ticket, then click on Submit a Ticket button, and then on the next page, select your issue type from the drop-down. Choose your issue type you are facing currently, and then go ahead and enter a subject, your contact email address, your registered email, user ID or phone number, and then the description of your problem. Enter the entire detail of your request, and then after you are done, if available, you can also upload an attachment for the problem that you want to talk about or get help for. Finally, click on the Submit button at the bottom of the screen. The more detailed and organized your ticket, the faster support team can help you. So that way you can also go ahead and submit a request or ticket so that you can get proper help for your issue while operating KuCoin. Similarly, you can also go ahead and get online support help, send an error log, or find your solution from the FAQ tabs. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.